Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to do forecasting in Excel by using Excel's dedicated forecast sheet tool. And here, for example, I am going to do sales revenue forecasting, but you can use this forecast sheet tool for other types of forecast like the population forecasting, weather forecasting, etc., where the forecasted value highly depends upon the past trend. In this Excel sheet, I have the details of year-wise sales revenue. This is the past data from 2018 to 2025. My requirement here is to forecast sales revenue for next 5 years, that is until 2030. In this case, first of all, select your past data, then click on the data tab, then forecast sheet tool. This will create a basic line chart showing the past sales trend and the forecasted values. This blue line shows the past sales trend and this orange line shows the forecasted values. This line at the middle is the average forecasting. The line at the top is the maximum forecasting and the line at the bottom is the minimum forecasting. Here at the forecast end, you can set up the year. In this example, I want to do the forecasting up to 2030, so I have to make this value 2030 here. By going to these options, you can see here more settings for the forecasting like the confidence interval, seasonality, etc. If you want to set up the seasonality manually, then you can go with this option, but here I am going to take the automatic detection of the seasonality and I don't want to make any change here. Just collapse this option button, then click on the create button to create the forecasting. Let me hit on this create button and here you see the forecasting is created with the chart. Let me decrease the size of the chart, then keep it below the data, and here you can see this is the average forecasting, this is the minimum forecasting, and this is the maximum forecasting. And in most of the case we have to see this average forecasting. Here you can see in the year 2030, the sales revenue forecasting is 33.95 million by looking at the past sales trend. And here you can see the sales forecasting for every single year. So this is how we can do forecasting in Excel by using the forecast sheet tool. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.